How to fix camera not working issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, the camera will start working properly. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, again click on this apps option and then tap on camera, and here click on storage. Now in storage, clear the cache memory of camera. So just simply tap on clear cache to clear the cache memory. So when you will tap on this option, the cache memory will be cleared, and after that the camera will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now click on reset all settings, and then again click on this reset all settings option here on your bottom of the screen to confirm. So just simply tap on this option and then it will reset all your mobile settings back to factory default, but it will not delete any data from your phone. Now after doing this, the camera will definitely start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.